Easy and creative ways to display your book collection. This ingenious arrangement puts books to work as a one-of-a-kind end table. The trick is to create a display that won't topple easily. Hardcovers stacked horizontally will create a stable surface. This hand-built book rack by AGUSTAV will beautifully dress up a bare wall with your favorite hardcovers. FYI, its unique suspension system won't damage pages. Another good to know, the makers behind this smart design have more than 105-star reviews on Etsy. Is your staircase super boring? Spruce it up with a bookshelf. The one shown here can be recreated using molding and thick planks of wood. After it's installed, paint. Shelves can both organize and beautify a living space unless they're crammed with books sloppily arranged. You can show off your small home library using cubby-styled wall cabinets. This one-of-a-kind coffee table is a real conversation starter that pretty much anyone can make. The tabletop is an old wood-framed window, but you can use virtually any hard, flat surface. You'll need a stack of hardcover books under each corner to prop up the surface, so that you know each stack must be the same height. See more photos from this apartment tour right here. Want to get those oversized books off your coffee table? Install a ledge wall shelf on an empty wall. They're usually used to show off framed pictures and artworks, but they're also perfect for displaying coffee table books, graphic novels, and vintage children's books. Dozens of books lined up vertically from floor to ceiling look stuffy. Breaking up the monotony with horizontal stacks adds a little visual rhythm that appears less formal. Books tell a lot about the person living in the home, says artist and designer Pablo Solomon. He suggests arranging them in small curated collections that make a personal statement. Adding a clever bookend that ties into your display's theme creates a visual story. Staircase storage is a practical space-making solution. This idea, designed by Zieminkowska de Boise architects, shows how you can use steps to carve out a family library. Transparent decor like this acrylic coffee table is a small space favorite because its airy looks won't overload a tiny room. Storing colorful books under it creates a stylish display. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.